just witnessed is a rare occurrence. As this single-seat FA-18 Hornet traps, the arresting cable stretches to the breaking point. When it breaks, the plane quickly disappears over the side and into the water. Training saves the pilot, who ejects immediately. This yellow shirt miraculously jumps the cable as it whips under him, not once, but twice.
Los primeros reactores F-86 Sabre, North American ya de caza bombardeo.
When it swooped over Lake Ontario, then belly flopped into the water. That plane sank almost immediately, and all 7 crew members on board are presumed dead. Officials think the plane lost power during a turn and couldn't straighten up in time to avoid hitting the water.
Twice, and then it flips to the left on the left wing, and you see the flames there start almost immediately.
يلا علي يلا علي يلا علي يلا علي يا ابوي راحت
It was a multi-agency effort that started at about 10:30 this morning. We had NYPD divers who went down to the plane. They were able to secure it with some straps. And we had a ship that came in from the Army Corps of Engineers. It came up the river, it had a crane attached to it, and the crane was able to lift the plane out of the river and onto the ship.
85 141, 85 141. Get back! Get back! Get back! Everyone get the away from it! I already saw the twin crash.
A California wildfire becomes a killer. A passerby shot amateur video showing the wings fall off a C-130 tanker plane just before it plunges to the ground. All